Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a class reminder clip for the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 8th of November. We did a swizzle stick, his and hers Colombian yo-yo, a swing train and a catapult spinning top. If you need teaching information, there are links to the clips for those separate moves in the description below, and this clip will show you how everything went together. So we started off right to right for the swizzle stick, and it went like this. It went 7 and 8, a back, block, swizzle, face, return for his and hers Colombian yo-yo. We went out and over and out and over and out. Lady shoulder, we went out and over and out and over and out. Return for the swing train, round and on the shoulder. We got step, behind and step, behind and step, behind and step, out and on the shoulder. It went step, behind and step, behind and step, behind and step. Came to face, change hands, 2 hands for that catapult spinning top, sweep, lean, spin, lean to the side, spin and catch. Right would allow you to go back into the swizzle stick, and that was it. Hope you find that useful. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell if you find what we're doing useful. Everybody does that, we really appreciate, because it helps promote the channel and in its small way dancing generally. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.